Hi, my name is Frank Mussai. I'm a consultant in paediatric oncology and I head a research group here at the University of Birmingham, where we're looking into understanding how childhood cancers develop and importantly trying to develop new therapies which we can bring into the clinic for these children. I spend some time seeing patients like Katie in the Children's Hospital, where I treat them when they're newly diagnosed, during their treatments, but also in early phase clinical trials. And I also spend a lot of time at the university joining my research team, looking into new treatments and understanding the underlying biology. It's certainly been a difficult year for many people. Clinically, we've had to change the way we work, and sadly we can't bring as many patients and their families into the hospital all to be together at the same time. So looking forward, our challenge is to get up and running again as quickly as possible, to build on the research that we're doing in the lab, investigating new treatments, and also to bring them back into the hospital settings who are still recovering from COVID. So most of our treatments are still based around standard chemotherapies, particularly those that are recommended by national advisory groups, but we're really hopeful that new immune therapies can offer a different way forward for patients. First, it's a good idea. We need the research in the lab to make that happen with the clever people in the teams. And we also need the support of funding in order to make those realities become a clinical trial. I think it has been a difficult year for fundraising. I think many people in the community have felt cut off from knowing what's happening in science and developing new treatments. And also a lot of funding has focused on COVID and moved away perhaps from funding on things like childhood cancer. So I continue to encourage you to donate generously. Your money is helping find new research into children with cancer, help us find new drugs for these patients, and to make a difference to children and their families.